say Kotofosi Sikasen or Mudija coach Kine. Na enchichimuni saying.
Okay.
Nhyira fan.
Every contract to be our 2 parts.
Sure.
First part in a largely no a year. Our rare immune pesi a worry. Dear na mimi nyamau, dear na also by yamami. Dear menya no on what basis na awasame ye at the end mount. Dear also so nyamami no. A day in a kafua, a day in a obesha, ubijras, obayas, and your manamame. See, that is the first part, no. And if an obligation. The second part, no, a termination. Say, a bassy jaya warrior, and no my bane, no my bane, ye be faswa. Ye be jawarian, come, I will be a nguho. Rich. Say, Osha the way prosper Ogum, and a kotoko. Our regina, the way a choir a fast buyer. Say, already kotoko statement, and not all the toto the nim behind the scenes. It is as if, say, both parties thought, say, na in prince our time, no. It was best of our, you know, and in that meeting, when they referred to the contracts, in such circumstances, nana abba, na I was say a jinasona ye guawariano. Kotoko decided, say, Omema coach Ogum, 4 months salary. Obeka say in lawyer Beka say in lieu of notice. Na say na enke was ye guawaria. I was a short letter near inform me ebia 1 month later near guawaria no. But because of situation a woman into yenti me amon kaye na 1 month ne mansa in lieu of notice ayana emremu no say want me am mo bi nkaya. Sometimes you stretch to the number of salaries are obey me at the amount. Ebi mu kura ko to the extent say enka ne contract na aka ni nyina. Yetua ni nyina. But in the agreement between Kotoko and ne Prosper Ogum no, omoji to mu say 4 months aketua. Yen kambom ni yen fama coach Ogum na yenya ne kwan. Now Rich, every month bia. Na Ogum eji $4,000. $4,000. Me say amumo amuti e no ma say and they post on social media. One of the comments and they say, why are you quoting the monies in dollars? No credit say Ogum adwuma Kotoko. E Ghana but ni sika no oje in dollars. The agreement was in dollars. And it's a utie na say what say ye quote amount in dollars. It is not enya buapa. It is what na operationally no sana na Ogum Kotoko efa sutua neka. Enti Rich 4 months package na ye dija Ogum kwan no. Which in bro from your friend severance package, you know. And I say so they buy man patasika no. 4 months into times $4,000, you know, $16,000. Now Rich, 4 months, you know. And yeah, and they say since last year November, Ogum Sanka salary.
November ton.
Yes. Since last year November. Ogum ensa enka sika. Now I am choosing my words carefully because I kotoko asam ne yeka no enu nkofo tie. Dinti ameka say Ogum ensa anka sika na menka say o kotoko entia ne ka ene say na enye say kotoko entimi ntia Ogum ka. Na emom no since Ogum eba second time you know Rich ni sika nyina no ose omuntia ma in dollars. Na since last year November Kotoko nya problem with the dollar account no. Enti no muntimi ntua dollars ne emfiri Kotoko dollar account nim to Ogum. Omusi Ogum anka tiase kwa ne nti osika no in a CD equivalent Ogum si debi.
Mfam dollar mame.
On the dollar na no obe. Na say monya problem with account na.
Wona mo ntwen.
We no problem.
Ba na man why.
Sort it out. And say ultimi afede eye say obetimi transfer sika in dollars you start paying me ho nkyere me sa. Enti Rich enye say na Kotoko edi Ogum ka 4 months so else etua na yentua ye na mom there was a problem with the Kotoko dollar account and unti ana from November last year omu entimi entua enti sawode from November na be see enen a omu ntua Ogum kana Rich eno so amount to $20,000
Chebeka a 16
and
one.
Tebeka 16 one. Now it's 36.
Okay.
In the Sana 36 in a munchi muno.
Okay.
It's here 16. The severance package and answer in Patasika, which is 4 months, and 20 no. Since November last year, because of SARS situation at Tokotoko account in it, now omu entimi emfa Ogum sika emma omu Ogum no jitu mu se obetwen na oma sorting out and san omagenti Kotoko any Ogum air rich. Ogum is richer $36,000. Now I know the Andy and comment.
Hey, my hand is handy. I don't know what again you own.
And the answer for mano.
And I know 200 million graduate. If you 36 down home, on Bezo, I did have Chairman. I can see, I want some no. Say, I'm my coach. $36,000. Now, coaching so at the as and Patasika. Our year no so bad winner, some of the Ejana Kwama.
You're discussing footballers in the Yana, or can say a baby man.
Yeah,
Me posti Ogum, our ex no ya comment. Honorable Edu Tete. Me posti ya in comment and say, how do I become a coach?
Kofi, imagine sa no pay na go on way judgment is $36,000. Yeah, the 2 accounts with dollar account to one. We didn't be fine.
Dollar accounts can you be an dollar account?
Before we be don't get this no bra.
Before we be dollar accounts can as you who be outside dollars in the field. With the island church.
Ogum the and all about the Ghana city that I 5.4 billion.
Old cities.
Old cities.
And I said Ghana cities.
Is it the new city or old cities? Old cities.
Oh, now old cities.
Oh, okay. 5.4 billion.
540,000.
That is 540,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
When
you sure?
Debut.
5 billion.
It's 5.4 million Ghana cities.
5 billion. Almost $36,000.
$36,000. 5.4 billion all cities. Oh, then you said that you
and I knew
540,000. Now, go Vienna and know you know 5 billion.
$30,000
coffee
minimum is rich. Who on the surface of it? But for radio presenters, no more transfer market.
Is he a graduate 700,000?
I'll say more transfer.
All right.
Good money.
It's good money.
It's good money.
And I saw Michiana. So when you need to be behind the corner, we are
moving on.
Moving on.
Maybe some in discuss the same way. Rich, your companies be brave, even including football. Sika etia Vinicius mo ene Kylian Mbappe mo. Enye says can etia Carlo Ancelotti. The players earn more than the coach. Team BM mo okwa. Look, even at Barca, Sika etia Robert Lewandowski mo ne Frankie de Jong mo no. Hansi Flick on GB. Now, Rich, say eba Ghana, we are not able to practice Sadia, even though a normal in football. Now, Rich, assuming say, unse ene kotokone play be say Freddy Kasari, back and forth. It's like Freddy Kasari 3 months. None contract. Sona Yakuba, Nancy Adesi, Mukwela, Etugamo. Rich. And I'm no say Samba O'Neil. Rich, say if Kotoko Timitia coach $4,000 a month, why don't we have like at least 4 players in the Kotoko team
that are earning around
$2,000, $3,000 a month? And Camino Munibaka says, say it to me, a picture you mudru sa level na. Then we will be assured, say, and Kotoko team, we use Kotoko as an example. But are applicable to any big club here or Ghana, Rich. And we will be assured, say, every season, Kotoko will have about 4 players. They are world class, and as an African standard. young be discussing issue of yen timinti omo kanti omo they will stay because $4,000 in Africa is standard. Nanka they will be consistent in the team. And so the core members of the Kotoko team, you can build a team around them that will be consistent in winning trophies and being very, very consistent in Africa.
But you see, and I don't want to sound CBA me or before because me name home. $4,000 in his car.
I saw him come back on.
$2,000 in his car.
When you say Ayala, me tell us cry. Obia draw my attention BCCA. So even Ogum the cry here can say oh the co-OCD ma 5.4 billion. Honda see have created me too.
So adias.
And to Honda see have him.
Oh the turn not the advance turn Honda see have we are then na academy. Unja mas school fees.
Obeto fu ogu kan.
Money but like I like saying you know, ye ni enyo ye wazi. So Kotoko player doesn't even end. Oh the $1,000 is somewhere around 15,000 Ghana cedis. Rich.
Oh na say you can say Mbella.
Yeah.
Mbella say no more around 20,000
you see the examples you will make. Number one, all of them will be foreign based players. Because they negotiate their contracts in dollars. Now, Rich, even with those people you are mentioning, some about 1 season, 2 seasons, now almost takes no higher. When they want us to match them with Sika almost supposed to and now we call back and allow them to leave. Now, Rich, me busa say if you are able to pay Obiti say Ogum $4,000 a month, do you know how much Nana Amposa was taking as CEO of Kotoko?
I was shocked. CEO no more body.
Yes.
Let's no mujina park in so bono.
Uche 10 to 100 krana. So you see, that is the problem. And Mr. Emo being kase, asamna can look even at multimedia. Their presenters are only A-class presenters that takes money more than the managers. Because they bring in the money.
Yeah.
We recognize that. So your presenters be a big presenters on our platforms across border. Just catching your managers, because the managers never recognize it. But they are the face of the group. In football, it is the same. Rich.
And say obi o na say bia ontin common sia e bia
e carry to the no
e bia na say nipa no on ben baby ankofo tieska
as in
like ankofo ye adwuma ni mu ti omka
yeah mom sika to yes
maybe I make a chezando like ankofo jiska more than you don't have to be a manager and hono about performance conversation ubetinya ye adwuma no ane Mantin so why you the resources ba ojusika kwakoda.
Yes.
But I say play an ball. Like onye play no only 50,000 an account more. Obetinya share over the period of 3 months or more be man.
Na say go play me money. Madam for pa na odebeto ne start. Ala onum ka odebeto. Ko le ya bi o. Anu ka old one bi. And ode abeto so oh Onya obi amana to car na mana. A Kotoko player can afford a Corolla. Can name say 2011 to 2012. Kotoko player. To me afford the Corolla.
Rich, you see, and say the FIFA we are talking about Yeka Football Club, a players in any football club.
Now the main architects.
And when it comes to say the value, they bring the value. Now, go back in the last 10 years. Rich, give me 4 players. Senka Impempreen. Kakotokompo etimitia almost $5,000. And then omo that's what na. And ka wo betimi do say Suba Kasenka Baba Sports Stadium. Ebeye ma every match day for Kotoko. Rich, player B say Sona Yakuba. Player B say Kwame Bonsu Conte. Player B say Dese Mukwela.
Nangonya Samba will now be.
Yes, at least a different name for Senka Kotoko. Mpempring. These players as core of a team now.
The team in Africa
consistently. And Kotoko a very good goalkeeper.
In Frederick Asari.
In terms of almost spinal. In Kotoko, Frederick Asari. Kotoko One or Kwame Bonsu Conte and anymore or Sona Yakuba any day Mukwela. Rich. And if Uko Musika Bomb a month and Kotoko is paying roughly, let's say roughly you find $30,000 a month shared among these players. Ujiri say in terms of omo value and community break club no. In making sure team is strong, supporters na energy home and Kofoba Stadium and attract sponsors omo boy in Africa omo winning Ghana League and it's no man. That is a proper long-term investment in a club you call a big club. But yeah, the idea, Rich, the moment a conversation about $1,000, echo 2,000, then you will say, okay, the okay carry a samba level. Oh, the okay carry I saw Rwanda, I saw Ethiopia,
South Africa.
I saw yes. I want to omit me amount says can I had ye. But we will be ready to pay a CEO that amount.
CEO na be catch a player na. Sabi ni sika fianza no manu. Sako you know ho na bobo no park.
You be catch say u free BA United ba no.
How?
Na sabi 1,000 bi na o gina o bakotoko na o be man ho so
ya. E pon mata na okotan Land Cruiser no so air condition. No play on the media.
Yes.
We are not catches on my result.
Sometimes
it doesn't make sense.
In your time,
you see, I did about creating. I'm going to say, your general society, as Ghana, wage any security for a Jumano.
Problem.
A general
Obi to be catch up.
I mean, make you
one out of here.
Some distance to the extent, say, like, even for professionals. To get what is due them. And unless a ABR expatriate company and as a company and so on obey structured that day, then they get their money. So
they are cross board.
like
Even doctors
everywhere.
Compare doctor colleagues who other countries they say the same thing. Pharmacists they say the
exactly.
Honey, are your favor? Now we know we are favor.
Come here, can me can cover me. Come here, say asem, but they can't cover power. But I mean, imagine you're no footballers. Only representation.
Yemfa ni Karim Zito Nkobano. Now the target is on winning double. The M10 FA Cup and a league as I say Kotoko and so Elba aka 6 matches to go no. The simple question and it's a